Hello YouTube. Um, I wanted to say that something happened to my Launchpad. I don't know how or why is it lighting or making fireworks like that. I just plugged through the USB cable there to my computer and suddenly it began to do things like this. I mean fireworks. It's nice and cool, but it just happens randomly. It's not like you just plug and you get this. It's not happening all the time. But now it happened, and I decided to catch it and record this on camera. So maybe someone knows why is it happening, and please explain to me. So that's it for today, and I'm making new song, so I hope it will be ready for the next week. So stay in tune. Bye.